To clear your internet browsing history, we'll first go to the browser. I'm using Chrome, but the steps are similar regardless of what browser you're using. Once I'm in Chrome, I'll start by tapping these three dots in the top right corner. Then choose History. Here I can look at my browsing history and I can tap the little X to delete individual sites from my history. For a larger cleanup, I can tap the Delete Browsing Data button to batch delete larger chunks of my browsing history. On the very top, we can choose what time frame will be deleted. It can be the last hour, 24 hours, or last 7 days, for example. Below that, you'll have checkboxes to choose what exactly will be deleted. Then tap Delete Data, and everything within that time frame will be wiped from your history. Just to give an example, I'll show you how this works in a different browser. Very similar. Tap the menu up top and choose History. This browser has fewer options when it comes to clearing the history. I can either manually choose which sites to remove from my browsing history, or I can use the Clear History button to clear everything. And that's it. Most browsers have a private browsing mode or an incognito mode which prevents your browsing history from being saved in the first place. I have a separate video for that, so if you're interested, go check it out.